Hey, this is Doug. I'm coming at you live from Annapolis Ski Resort. This is the Broadview Black Diamond. It's a black diamond because it's really tight. It's a tight trail, very narrow, hard to stay on the path. You don't want to hit a tree out here. I'm the first one on the slopes today. And I'm not wearing my helmet. Everybody else in the neighborhood is still shoveling their driveways. Not me. I'm out here having fun. This is a risky maneuver. My camera phone is not waterproof. So I better not fall and drop my camera phone. Let me take you through the voyage. Gets faster the farther downhill you go. It's really tricky. You gotta keep your bearings. I'm on the left trail here, so I can slow down a little bit for the end. And almost made it to the dock. Eventually, we'll go all the way to the end of the dock and out into the water. And that'll be really fun.